Africa. Welcome back home. Safe. Home safe. Yeah. Safe home, home safe. Right now I'm going to Cape Town. Cape Town for 5 more days, then my trip ends. I'm going to chill out at the beach and relax at the beach, you know. 2-hour flight to Cape Town from Johannesburg or Tombo International Airport.
Time they were making a lot of money.
Yeah.
So by that they managed to they are driving their own cars, and they are managing to save money and buy cars and rent them to
Other people.
yeah.
So that's a good business to get into.
It's good business to get into
Down here, buying cars and renting them.
and renting them. Because if you buy, for instance, you got 5 cars,
Yeah.
then you give it to people, they 2,000. Some they say 2,500.
Yeah.
But roughly you don't want to kill people.
So you're
just say
making
2,000.
$800 a month US. 8,000 a month if it's 2,000 a week.
Yeah, something like that. So it's almost 8,000 a month there.
Yeah. That's a
Yeah.
damn good business, bro.
Yeah.
You're paying for the car over and over.
And it's not your car.
And
you know.
it's wow. And the person's making money, so you
These guys-
have a good business there.
These guys are making money.
So what neighborhood is this here?
This is Langa.
What's the name?
Langa.
Langa.
Sorry, it's Gooks.
Gook.
Yeah,
This is Google
Leto?
Leto?
Yeah, it's coming from that side actually.
Oh, all the way Google
And
Leto.
this is Heatherfield. Because Langa is on that side.
Oh, so one way the men make money here is through Uber.
Yeah.
Because people have to keep going around.
Yeah.
Huh, so there is a way to survive. You could rent a car and still make your money.
Yeah.
How do you find a guy to rent a car from? Is it,
You know, like we do, you know, people, these drivers got most groups.
okay.
So maybe if you have a car, like now you're telling me that maybe I have a car standing there by my house,
Yeah.
but I need a driver to drive it on, then I just get your details and stuff. Then I put it on the group that, hey, I have someone who got a car.
Oh.
If you need to rent it, you can contact me or you can talk to the person direct.
Got it.
Then you do the deal there. Then that's when you deal about the target, maybe 2.5 or 2 or whatever money you wanna discuss with him. Then when you finalize it, then you start it from there.
Yeah. So now, what about the insurance?
No, the owner of the car must pay the insurance.
And so, no matter what happens to it, you're good.
Normally we just say if from that amount he's getting, he must do the insurance.
Do the insurance.
Yeah.
So now, what about how much insurance costs here per month?
It differs with this insurance, but I think from 800 to 900 to 1,000 per month.
1,000 rand, 100,000.
For instance, it's just 1,000 a month.
That's nothing.
Yeah.
So to rent a car, oh, that's good business.
Yeah.
I could buy 2 cars
Then you
and rent them out down here,
Yeah.
and it would make more money than Joburg.
Yeah, because in Johannesburg, people they are not working like the way we do here, because in Johannesburg they are still having the problems with the meter taxis.
Okay.
So you can buy a car, you give it to someone in Johannesburg, but anytime, any day you can hear that your car is bent, it's gone.
Oh, it's stolen and
No, it's bent. They light it, they burn it.
they light it.
Yeah, because they're still fighting there with the
So the
taxi
taxi drivers will light your car.
Yeah, because they are not there is places they are not getting in. Like now here in the airport, it was going to be a mission for me to take you out of the airport or into the malls. It's a mission for me to pick you up, like there by waterfront.
Yeah.
It's a mission for me to get you there. So you have to walk maybe 500 meters for you to meet me.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the waterfront.
For instance, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the airport make it easy for you.
Yeah, in this side, Cape Town, we don't have a problem with the
But
taxi.
Joburg, it's hard to.
Yeah.
In the airport for Joburg, it's not easy for Uber drivers.
Yeah, Sandton, especially in Sandton, you can't just Uber and get the Uber that is just there and there.
Oh, because the
taxi drivers are there.
I see. And the bus drivers are there for the train.
Yeah, those guys they are not there for the buses and the trains. It's fine, but only for Uber it's a problem.
In Cape Town, I guess.
No, we don't have that.
A good business for someone who wants to live in Cape Town is to buy 3 cars in Botswana. The cars are cheap in Botswana.
If it's original cars, yes. Because they don't want the ex-Japs.
They don't want what?
The ex-Japanese.
Oh, they don't want them here?
The ex-Japanese. Most those ex-Japanese like the Noah.
Yeah. The second hand.
You can buy a second one, but good name like these Toyotas, VWs, and other cars. Yeah. But we have also almost those cars from Japan. Those what do you call it? Noah. There's Noahs. There's this other names.
Once it's Toyota, it's good.
Yeah. It's especially German cars, I can say.
I see. Cape Town is definitely one of my favorite places.
Yeah, Cape Town is.
It's just beautiful.
Yeah, it's very nice.
And the roads are nice, and
everything.
The coastline is beautiful. So I know that I could just start buying some cars and getting my friends to rent it out.
Yeah.
And that's just money coming in.
Yeah, that's cash. No matter you're working, you have money to keep or saving or whatever to be happening.
And you don't have to drive it, just have someone else.
No, you don't have to drive, yeah.
It's hard for people to save up to buy cars here.
It's it's not easy to put together something like let me say, because there is cars which you can get a car from 120, 130, 140, 150 going upwards.
Yeah.
But for someone to just get 130 now, it's not easy. But if I work, I can get that money. But you can't work with someone's car, then you manage to save that because you need to pay him. You need to. So if you can get like other people, I have 2-3 people who were lucky. They got riders from the airport, especially those people from overseas.
Yeah.
They're talking, discussing about their things and all that. and you tell him the way we are talking now,
Yeah.
and you tell him, no man, cars are very expensive and all that. Then that guy just say, okay, tomorrow come, we go to the garage, I buy you a car. They bought him a car. Now he's paying back that guy now.
That guy.
Yeah.
And he probably, let's say, if I bought you a car for 2,000 US,
Yeah.
then basically your rent, I could drop the rent to 100 a month.
No, you don't drop. You
I'm
just
just
leave
saying.
it.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, you can do like somewhere like that, but then you just say, you calculate most that amount is such amount. So for us, for you to get money and for you as well to get money, let's meet on this amount per month to pay. Then you start paying it off. Within a year, you finish paying a 150 car.
Yeah, and the person can keep the car.
Then you just keep the car.
And you have a profit.
Or maybe that guy, he can put an interest of maybe 10,000 or 20 on top.
Yeah.
At least he got something as well.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
It's a good business partnership. Once you own the car, if you have some, that's. So there's ways to survive here.
There's a lot of ways of surviving and trustworthy,
Mm-hmm.
That is also another thing.
Yes, I see. Cape Town is just magnificent. Look at it. Oh man. You have kids?
Yeah, 3.
3 kids?
Yeah.
Where's your wife from?
She's from Zim as well. What's I'm from?
You're from Zim?
Yeah.
So a lot of people from Zim come here. They work really hard.
Yeah.
How many hours a day do you work?
Myself, I don't work that much because if I wake up at 4, I must make sure at 5 I'm at home.
With the family?
Yeah, we must be at home. We must.
So it's like 12 hours, 10 hours.
I can put it on 12
With the driving.
with the driving. Yeah.
Okay.
But sometimes if I reach, this thing is more about targets. So if I reach my target, of which the target per day, we put ourselves on a 800 to 1,000 rand per day. So if it happens that by this time I have 1,000, I can go home. But something wrong with into money. You can get 1,000 now, but you still wanna push again. To get more. Basically, 8 to 1,000 rand I can go home. I don't stress that I lose a day because already I put my target aside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, wow, that makes sense. So do you have to target where you want to drive? Like, how do you?
No, you drive anywhere.
How do you always kind of get fares? Do you kind of stay in the city area or?
Normally, I can start at home. I just go online. Then if anyone rings on, then I start it from there. Wherever you go, like now where you are going now in Bender Bay, I'm just gonna stay there until I got someone out of Bender Bay, or is going to Waterfront, or is going to Constantia, or is going to Stellenbosch.
So you go one place, you stay there for
I stay there for certain until but sometimes you can be lucky. On your way there, you get a request. Then you
time it.
Then you time it. Then you just take it like.
And make sure you get to the person in time. Oh, okay. But you in the nighttime, you don't go to the ghetto.
We don't go
areas.
there. There is people who like to go there, but me, I don't go there because we have a lot of robberies and a lot of deaths, murders and stuff. Like yesterday, someone was hijacked in Bonneville. They attack him and kill him there. So
in where?
in Bonneville.
Bonneville.
There, we just passed there from.
Oh, okay.
We came out of the airport.
So they request by credit card, but then
no, not people with the credits. They don't do that.
But with cash.
Only the cash people. They have
So you
problem.
should. This is another person. Joburg told me you never request with cash. You never go for cash.
Don't go for yeah. All those cash you can take the cash strips during the day like this. But not at night. Even during the day you can take it, but you can't take it if people going, especially to the Cape Flats. There, that's where the problem is. They can rob you on your way there, or they can, when you get there, they shoot you. Last time they shoot someone. When they get there, they just took the phone, they shoot him, and they leave him there.
Wow.
So you can die for just a phone for less than 2,000
no, in
rand.
Cape Town you have to be careful and you have to be alert. People always looking for your phone.
Yeah, they can kill you for a 1,000 rand phone.
But in the good neighborhoods, everything is okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 40 different?
40 divided, yeah, they made away.
Seems safe up here.
Yeah, this is nice. Simple inside. You know, criminals, the east areas they go, the east areas they don't go.
Well, I don't know if I would find this, but my GPS would take me here anyway.
Yeah.
This is far from the city?
No, we just passed the city. It's not far, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's not far.
Wow, look at the view. Very nice. Oh man, I tell you, adventure. I'm all the way from New York.
Yeah. Because
I've been in Africa for 1 month.
then you went back.
to Johannesburg, and I went to Botswana.
All right.
And now I'm coming back to Cape Town. Spend 5 days here.
Then you go back.
Then I'm out. I wanted to
You go back home.
Go back to New York, yes.
All right.
I wanted to spend my last couple of days away from the city,
Yeah.
you know.
So you're here for 5 days now.
Yes. I'm gonna stay here and see if I can relax and order in some Uber Eats.
Yeah. You don't want to go out and.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out, but I didn't want to rent a car this time.
Oh, okay. All right.
I just kind of want to, you know, relax a little, look at the ocean, and probably go to the oceanside marketplace, go to one of the beach.
Yeah.
What's one of the beach I could take an Uber to near here?
Normally people staying here by where you're going, they normally use Camps Bay side.
Camps Bay?
Yeah.
That's the beach name.
Yeah, Camps Bay.
Uh-huh.
Right in Camps Bay. Some they like to go here by First Beach. There's First Beach. Then Clifton.
Clifton?
Yeah.
Beach? Clifton Beach?
Yeah, Clifton Beach. But there is sections. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. But they are all in Clifton along the road.
Oh, okay, so I could just put Clifton Beach for the Uber?
Yeah.
And they'll
Clifton
take me
Beach,
there?
they will take you there. Or you just put Fourth Beach, or Third Beach, or Second Beach.
So
Was there's first, second, third, and fourth.
Clifton?
They are all in Clifton.
Do I use the word Clifton or just say First Beach?
No, you say Clifton, First Beach.
Clifton First Beach.
Or Clifton
With the
Fourth
word
Beach.
first.
Yeah.
Clifton First Beach.
First
And
Beach,
it'll
yeah.
take me to each of the section of the
Yeah,
beaches.
yeah.
And I could swim and everything.
Yeah, you can do.
These
But
are-
it's not far from each other. You can walk from First Beach to Second Beach to
Oh,
then go
nice.
for
Love it. Well, Clifton is a nice neighborhood.
Yeah, it's a good place also down there.
I'm in Clifton, right?
You are in Bender Bay.
I'm in where?
But it's like in Bender Bay.
Okay.
This is Bender Bay, but
Bender
it's just
Bay.
like this, yeah. Bender
Side
Bay
by
and
side to
Clifton side.
Clifton.
Yeah.
Got it. I saw this on Airbnb.
Yeah.
Bender Bay. Very nice.
Yeah, it's a nice place. It's a nice place. And I'm quite sure if you can get a way of walking down from Bender Bay, you can walk down into Clifton.
Okay.
Only to come up, it will be a problem.
Oh, okay. So I could put. So are there Uber around here?
Anyway, here you get Uber everywhere.
Nice.
And it's more in around here.
Yes. Nice, lovely. And it seems like there's not a lot of beggars around here.
No.
So it's
They are
best,
just in the city.
best to stay in Bender Bay.
Yeah, it's good places.
Oh, way on top of the mountain. I've chose the right place this time.
Yeah. Last time, what were you saying?
I stayed, I can't remember, Kenilworth.
Oh, Kenilworth down there.
Down there, yeah, you said.
Yeah, it's far from the city. Yeah. Now,
This
if you want to go to the beach, you must travel, take a Uber.
Yeah, but this you could walk down if you wanted to.
Yeah. If you want to walk, especially in the morning, early in the morning, you can walk up to Checkers, you buy your stuff, then you go back with Uber.
No, DeWitt.
Yeah. But they say it's DeWitt.
DeWitt.
Yeah, like in Afrikaans, but it's DeWitt in English, but they say it's DeWitt.
DeWitt.
Yeah.
About 40. What am I?
40. 12.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Oh man. Love to have a property around here.
Yeah, then you can make money.
Yeah.
Then you can make money.
This I filmed for my friends in America.
All right.
I've experienced Africa. I learned. Here we go, 40. Okay, let's see.
40. this Avanza.
Welcome to Cape Town. I'm Randy. Again, I know how to pick up. This is magnificent. Here I am at my final stay in the bay. I could walk to the beach. This is Cape Town. I love Cape Town. This is where I'm staying. Ah, yeah. I know how to pick them. Airbnb. This one is that 55 a night or so. So I'm staying here for my last days. Wish I was married. Love it, love it, love it. Can't ask for anything more than this. Love it. I've been to 3 places so far. Airbnb is definitely the best. Love it, love it. Place to sleep. So it's time to call my friends over, drink some beers, and